We are clearly at an inflection point with vision, and so today we are announcing a new initiative called Google Lens. Google Lens is a set of vision-based computing capabilities that can understand what you're looking at and help you take action based on that information. So for example, if you run into something and you want to know what it is, say a flower, you can invoke Google Lens from your assistant, point your phone at it, and we can tell you what flower it is. Or if you've ever been at a friend's place and you've crawled under a desk just to get the username and password from a Wi-Fi router,
It's been over an year since Sundar Pichai announced the Google Lens at Google I/O 2017, which is basically a device which helps you to get relevant information regarding visual analysis. So in this video we are going to show you a very quick and easy tutorial to enable the Google Lens on your Android device, and you don't require any root access or anything like that. So let's get into the video. First of all, you have to head on to the Play Store and search for Google Photos. We'll get the third option. We have to install the latest version. As you can see, I've installed the latest version. If yours is not updated to the latest version, then you have to install it. Then we have to also update the Google to the latest version, the Google app. After you have done that, you can easily access it via the Photos app. So guys, whenever you open an image, for example, I'm opening an image and you tap on the lens icon, then it can give you information about the image you are viewing. As you can see, it is giving the correct information. So what you just have to do, you just have to click on this icon which you can see here. This is quite easy, and let's take a test. Let's try identifying some things. As you can see, it is able to identify, give you information about the image. Oh, it failed in this one. Let's check another image. Lens doesn't recognize people, so guys, you need to keep in mind that it cannot provide you information about a person. That's it for this video, guys. If you found the video helpful, please like the video.